Welcome to 2332 Ventana Crossing. Hope you will enjoy the tour. Come on in and look around. Think you will be impressed with the size and features on this home. Off the two-story foyer is a spacious dining room with tray ceiling and wainscoting. Perfect for family and friends to gather and share a meal. An abundance of natural light and open spaces create a warm and welcoming home. The fireside great room features high ceilings and custom mantel. Come create the style and feeling you want. The kitchen opens to the great room. The island adds countertop space and there are cabinet doors on the other side of the island. For the cook, there's a gas cooktop and double ovens for evening meals. Check out the lovely custom tile work and granite countertops. The walk-in pantry is spacious. There is ample space to store a few bottles of wine here. Cabinets over the washer and dryer are a nice bonus for storage. Breakfast area at the far end of the room opens to a private patio and garden. Off the eating area is a private patio and garden. Enjoy the space after a busy day. Add a gas grill for family cookouts. One of the best things about this home is all the green space around the house. A place to play catch, walk the dog, or invite neighbors over for a game of cornhole. Off the foyer is a hall leading to primary suite on the main level and a half bath. Primary suite with tray ceiling and plantation shutters. This is a king-size bed. Soaking tub, vanity with dual sinks and knee niche are perfect. Oversized walk-in closet has space for him and her. Newer custom tile shower with bench, linen closet, and walk-in closet completes this bath. Upstairs are 2 bedrooms, loft, bath, and 2 closets for storage. The loft overlooks the great room and foyer. There are so many ways you can use this generous space. Bedroom 1 opens to bath. Compartmented bath with dual sinks for ease of use. The tub shower has been replaced with custom tile surround. Bedroom 2 is oversized with sitting area. Perfect for teen or guest. Large storage closet ready for out-of-season linens and so much more. Storage area upstairs, ready for seasonal decorations and suitcases. Mechanicals are here also. We hope you have enjoyed your tour of this beautiful 3-sided brick home. If you travel, it's a great place to come home to.